Hello, I'm Maida and welcome to Cake and Cookies. Today we are making one of the most loved North Indian flatbreads, Aloo Kulcha, soft and stuffed with spicy mashed potatoes. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup flour. You can use whole wheat flour for a healthier version. 3 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix everything well. Adding curd and baking soda gives that perfect softness without yeast. Now add 1/4 cup water gradually and knead it into a soft dough. Rub a little oil on top. Resting the dough make the kulcha soft and fluffy. And keep it aside to rest. Now prepare the potato stuffing. For the delicious potato filling, take 2 boiled mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything until well combined. Now take a small portion of the dough. Flatten it slightly and place the potato stuffing in the center. Make sure the stuffing is dry and well mashed to avoid tearing. Cover and roll gently into oval shape. Boiled potatoes are a good source of potassium and energy. Curd in the dough aids digestion and adds moisture. Homemade kulchas are free from preservatives and additives. Sprinkle white sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, and chopped coriander leaves on top. Heat a pan, add a few drops of water, and place the kulcha inside. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium heat. Brush with ghee and cook both sides until golden and cook through. Aloo kulcha traditionally cooked in a tandoor, but today we made it on a simple pan. Covering while cooking traps steam and help it puff beautifully. Your soft and flavorful aloo kulcha is ready to enjoy. Did this aloo kulcha recipe make your mouth water? What would you pair it with? Raita, pickle or chole? Let me know in the comments. Like, share and follow Cake and Cookies for more home-style recipes. Thanks for watching. See you again with another tasty delight.